Kopogore gi mano, jagoro mongirore migawo mar thieth bade marango ngima oganda e pachoka mano Laktar Olunga ochako ayanga tich. Laktar Olunga okawo kar Harry Kimtai makoro dhi tayo migawo mar mwandu miyude bwo lowo kaka jagoro mongirore. Jatend migawo mar thieth ma pachoka Aden Duale nosingo tiyo kanyakla gi Laktar Olunga e bero sekta mar thieth. Korka kore Laktar Olunga kwayo Duale mondo otemo neni oganda jo Kenya obedo gi geno gi migawo mar thieth kendo.
So my colleague who is coming is not new. I always call him an insider. And we have also benefited, personally I've also benefited from his leadership in terms of, especially during the time of when we were negotiating with the union members.
Let me also warmly welcome my brother and my PS, Dr. Olunga, into this very important role. As a seasoned medical professional, an advocate for health system strengthening, you bring to this position a very unique blend of technical expertise and frontline experience.
I would request, under your leadership and with the support of my colleagues and the entire sector, that we focus on. One, on top of that agenda, is to rebuild public trust in our healthcare system. And that is something that is urgent, and that is something that we must do. And sir, I have heard you mention Chapter 10 of the Constitution. And all those aspects of Chapter 10 of the Constitution is what builds public trust.